Welcome to V class GPT June 8. Hello everybody, I'm your English teacher Serena. How are you everybody at home? So today we're gonna have our GPT, right? Before we start, I have very good practice for you. Okay, look. What's this? A bottle of water, right? And you need a glass, a transparent glass. And also, you have to prepare some salt, right? Salt. And also, an egg, right? An egg. At last, you need a sticker. So, I'm gonna put the egg into the glass. Wow, you can see the egg is at the bottom of the glass, right? Now, I'm gonna put water. Can you see? The egg is downstairs, right? Still at the bottom. Alright, make sure I cover the water bottle. Okay, you see? The egg still at the bottom of the glass, right? Now I'm gonna put salt. Use the sticker. Right, I will put more. Wow, you see the egg start floating, right? Okay, so after class, we're gonna check. We will check the result about the egg is floating or still at the bottom of the glass. Later, 我们等一下会去看一下鸡蛋到底是浮起来了呢，还是停留在瓶子的底部。Now what we are going to do？ 现在我们要做什么呢？ Think about it. I remember. We need to go through the answers about the homework I left for you guys, right? 那现在我们要做的是对答案。上一次老师有留给大家家庭作业，对不对？ Are you ready? 你们准备好了吗？ Let's go through the answers together. First part, please turn to page 110. Take out your workbook. Number 1 part, rewrite the sentences. 句子改写。Alright, number 1. I have no idea which book you preferred. I have no idea which book you preferred. 好，我们来翻译一下。我不知道你对哪一本书更喜欢。I have no idea. 文中要求的是把这个省略掉，并将划线部分改成直接疑问句，就是 which book you preferred 这个部分进行改成直接问句。好，我们一起来对答。Let's check the answer together. Which book did you prefer? Which book did you prefer? 我们引用疑问词 which 哪一个来直接引导问句。那这个疑问句中要注意哪个部分是你要注意的呢？就是我们的助动词 did， 因为原句中有一个 preferred， 就是更喜欢，这个词是过去时态，所以呢，在疑问句中呢，我们就要用助动词，把它改助动词引用过去时，而动词用原形。大家记住了吗？ Which book did you prefer? Very good. Now let's go to second part. 第二大题问题 second. Why does your brother jump rope every morning? Why does your brother jump rope every morning? 为什么你的哥哥每天早上都要跳绳呢？ Right， 文中要求用 I wondered 开头改写句子。I wondered， 我想知道。我们改成间接句子，对不对？ I wondered。所以这个句子我们要注意哪些点呢？我们一起来看一下。I wondered why your brother jumps rope every morning. I wondered why your brother jumps rope every morning. 好，我们 I wondered 直接引用下来，开头 why 疑问词，疑问词后面紧跟的是什么？主词，主词是 your brother， 后面就跟的是动词，对不对？ Jumps rope every morning。大家问老师，为什么问句里面是 jump， 而这里陈述句要用 jumps 呢？因为我们疑问句当中我们用了助动词 does， 对不对？所以它后面的动词用原形，助动词后面的动词用原形。但是当它转换为陈述句的时候呢，它这个句子就要变成一般时态。这里的 your brother 是第三人称，所以后面是 jumps。为什么老师大家说，为什么这里用 jumps？ 还有一个原因就是 every morning， 就是每天都要做的事情，就是一般时态，所以我们用 jumps。不是过去式，也不是进行时，表示的是某人通常每天都会做的事情。所以我们这里用一般时态。I wondered why your brother jumps rope every morning. 我想知道你的哥哥为什么每天都会跳绳。大家记住了吗？所以你要观察时态，然后注意句子结构。Very good. Now let's go to number 3. Debbie wants to know what she should do to pass the test. Debbie wants to know what she should do to pass the test. Debbie 想知道她应该怎么做，应该做些什么才能通过考试。这里的文中要求是用名词片语改写句子，用名词片语改写句子。大家还记住名词片语的组成成分吗？就是疑问词加 to do。疑问词有哪些啊 ？What, which, how 等等，对不对？还有 why 啊。所以大家一定要把课本复习哈。所以这里我们应该用哪一个词呢？ Are you ready? 你们准备好了吗？ Okay. Debbie wants to know what to do to pass the test. 所以这个句子其实已经给到我们答案了，是 what， 对不对？所以我们直接改成 what to do。 疑问词加 to do 表示的是名词片语。好 ，Debbie wants to know what to do to pass the test。整个句子的时态呢，也是一般时态，表示他当下的一个心态哈。Debbie wants to know what to do to pass the test。你们都做对了吗？ I trust you guys. Alright, now let's get to the second part. Sentence to merge. 句子合并 Okay. Number 1. What songs have you practiced since this morning? What songs have you practiced since this morning? Second one. Jenny wants to know that. Jenny wants to know that. 好，做之前我们先翻译一下啊。第一个句子 What songs have you practiced since this morning? 就是说从今天早上开始，你有唱过哪些歌作为练习呢？或者说你练习过哪一些歌呢？第二部分 Jenny wants to know that. Jenny 想知道。这里的 that 就是指代上面这件事情。What songs have you practiced since this morning? 对不对？ Okay, now we can put these two sentences together. Jenny wants to know what songs you have practiced since this morning. Jenny wants to know what songs you have practiced since this morning. Jenny 呢想知道啊，你今天早上呢练习了哪些歌曲？所以同学们只要知道，它这两个句种中有一个指代词，找出这个指代词指代的是哪一部分，就可以引用下来了。你明白了吗？ Okay, very good. Now let's go to second part. When did the new student come to school? When did the new student come to school? Second part. 第二部分 The teacher tried to ask us that. The teacher tried to ask us that. Look at the first one. 我们来翻译一下，看第一部分 When does new student come to school? 那个新学生是什么时候来的学校？ Number 2, the teacher tried to ask us that. 老师呢尝试问我们。这个后面这个 that 指代的就是第一句话所代表的意思，就是说老师尝试问我们那个新学生是什么时候来学校的，所以我们找到的指代的部分，那我们就很好改动了。We're gonna put together， 我们把两个句子放在一起，就是这样呈现的。The teacher tried to ask us when the new student came to school. The teacher tried to ask us when the new student came to school. 你做对了吗？ Right, let's continue the third part. Number 1 sentence. 第一句话 Why shouldn't they study in the library? Second part. Can anyone tell them that? Why shouldn't they study in the library? 他们为什么不在图书馆里面学习呢？ Number 2. Can anyone tell them that? 没有人告诉他们吗？这里的 that 指代的就是上面一件事情，他们为什么不应该在图书馆里面学习呢？这件事情。所以呢，我们找到了子代部分，来，我们来连接一下。We're gonna put two together， 我们放在一起。Can anyone tell them why they shouldn't study in the library? Can anyone tell them why they shouldn't study in the library? 谁能告诉他们为什么不能在图书馆学习呢？ Look, they are so easy, right? 看吧，这些题目都很简单哦。If you trust yourself, you can do everything. 如果相信自己的话，你就可以做任何事情。Alright, now let's go to next part.